morning. It's currently 11:34, and I'm just watching Bunked. And I woke up not too long ago. We're heading up to the boardwalk to get some Manco Manco pizza.
Right on.
My favorite pizza of all time. We just got back from Fudge Places. I got mine from Seal's Fudge. Got some M&M. She got some, what do you get, Mom?
Peanut butter pretzel.
Yum.
So right now in New Jersey, it's storming crazy, and here's some footage.
You on that beat. I pull that down like to see you win. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. So leave me alone, baby, who won't listen? Girl, I don't wanna be the one you listen. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now, I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me alone, baby, who gon' listen?